Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So happy new year. I know it's like the 16th of January, but happy new year from me. I've decided today to bring you guys this lazy sort of like makeup tutorial. Like, it's really simple, it's really quick. This look is perfect for like school, going shopping, going anywhere where you don't really want to put in like a whole face of makeup, but you still want to look, you know, like nice. You want to look poppin' if you like poppin'. It's just like really flattering without trying too hard, you know, like it's simple, quick, easy makeup, and it's perfect for any lazy day. So let's just get into it. Okay, so first of all, you've got to moisturize. Here I'm using the Simple Kind to Skin Vital Vitamin Day Cream, which has an SPF of 15. But the one thing I particularly like about this is like it makes my skin really sort of like glowy. It just makes my skin look really like healthy. And now, seeing as this is sort of like a lazy day makeup, I don't really want to wear foundation on lazy days. If you do, then that's fine, but I'm just going to grab my Collection Lasting Perfection Concealer in Fair and literally just put it anywhere that I have some red spots, around my nose as well, on my nose. And I do like to get a little bit of coverage like here, not the under eyes, but like the top parts of my cheeks get very red. So basically any parts of my skin which are slightly blotchy and I want to cover up, and then I'm just going to buff it in. So 2018, hey, I caught myself at school writing 2017 on a day, so it's taking some getting used to. As far as like New Year's resolutions go, I probably have a few, but I wouldn't really call them New Year's resolutions. It's sort of like ways to better myself all the time, every single day of the year and things like that. So yeah, I have been gone. I did a video before Christmas and I said that I would probably do another Christmas video as well as a New Year's Eve one. I fell sick after that, and then I went to England, and so I was unable to film any of those videos, which I'm kind of a bit annoyed, to be honest, but it is not the end of the world. I'm just going to apply some concealer on my lids as well to blank out the veins. It was a shame, but I think that like the glam Christmas look that I was going to do was pretty much going to look like most of my other tutorials, or a mix of a couple. And then New Year's Eve one, when I saw everybody else's like New Year's Eve sort of like looks, I was just like blown away with how good theirs was, and just mine didn't compare, it really didn't. So even though I wasn't able to film it, I'm sort of like okay with it. So now we have covered everything that we sort of want to be covered, and I'm just going to grab my Rimmel Stay Matte to set everything and set the T-zone as well, because I've been getting a bit oilier than usual, which I'm not really used to. I know it's like the 16th of January and I probably should have uploaded before, but I've been so busy with exams and I didn't really know what to film, to be honest. I want to do a few more DIYs. I have a haul coming up because I have ordered some things from Missguided and Forever 21, but I still got to wait for those to get in. Yeah, I sort of like want to venture out from the sort of like makeup stuff, because unless you've got like products to review, things to try, and like challenges and stuff, there's not much to do. Like, makeup tutorials are fun and all, but they get repetitive. I think I've said this before, but yeah. So as much as this is a lazy day, sort of like makeup, you still want to look somewhat put together, and so I always like to draw a little bit of a brow, you know, like nothing major. I've never liked big dramatic brows on myself because I don't know how to like perfect them. If you guys have any sort of like video requests or recommendations, please leave them down below, because I really want to know what you guys want to see, and once I know, I can make the videos you guys want to see. So in case you were wondering, I was using the Freedom Eyebrow Pomade in medium brown, and I'm just going to apply a little bit of powder on my lids with my finger, because all my brushes are in my room and this pretty much works the same. I'm going to highlight a little bit. I'm using the High Beam by Benefit, and as I haven't put any powder nor concealer on the sort of like cheekbone part of my face, I can put this without having any worries of it like balling up and crumbling. I don't know if this is the correct term, but I think I have like social anxiety. Like, I know everybody throws around anxiety and when they don't actually have anxiety, but my voice like physically changes when I speak, like public speak. I was asked to read like a text in philosophy today, and my voice just like, I couldn't do anything about it. It just became super like deep and gravelly, and it was just like vibrating. I was croaking out my words. It sounded like I didn't know how to read. You know, like the kids who are asked to read, and it's that one kid in your class who doesn't know how to read and is very choppy. Well, I sounded a bit like that, and it was horrifying. The worst part is my teacher literally stopped me at the end and was like, "Are you okay?" I quickly said like, "Yeah, I'm fine, but I've got like a sore throat, so..." But it was that bad. Like, it was so croaky and my voice was just so choppy, and it sounded like I was gonna cry any second, and I couldn't do anything about it. I didn't know how it happened. I didn't know how my voice was speaking like that. I was just, dunno. I had literally no idea. So I told my mum this, and she said, "You've got to speak more like, when we go to the shops, you need to be the one who asks like the saleswoman like stuff. You need to stop being scared of speaking to people." And I don't know if that's social anxiety. I don't know if what I'm feeling is social anxiety or just being a weak ass bitch, but I don't know. Let's just say today's experience certainly opened my eyes. Why? Like, why can't I speak in front of like 30 people? Why not? Just before putting on mascara, I'm gonna grab my black pencil eyeliner and just like tight line my top lash line, which is gonna make your lashes look thicker, everything just look 10 times better. You're gonna pull the weirdest faces, but it makes you look like you have eyeliner when you don't, and it's bomb, I promise. This is just a regular eye pencil, like nothing special. So if you put it on the top, it most likely is going to transfer on the bottom, which it already has on this eye, and this one is going to follow. So depending on your eye shape, like lower waterline eyeliner can really accentuate your eyes, it can make them more seductive and things like that. So I'm real quick just gonna put a little bit of this in the lash line itself to sort of like thicken it, and then all I'm gonna do is grab my pinky finger and smudge it. This can give you two vibes, okay? Like, it can really accentuate your eyes, or it just looks like you did a shit job at removing your makeup before you went to bed. So don't go too heavy on it, and then just smudge and just, yeah, that's it. I only put like not too much, and that's the effect I'm looking for. I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply mascara. Recently, I've moved on from the big lashes at all cost kind of thing, because I've been realizing that at the middle of the day in school, like my lashes would not like completely clump together, but you'd have like little patches that would stay together, and it was just so ugly. And so I've decided, you know what, forget the whole big lashes or nothing. Like, go for medium lashes. That's what I'm doing. I'm sort of like keeping them very sort of like wispy. No! And I think what really completes the eyes is putting a tiny bit of lower lash line mascara. And now the final touch of the eyes, which is just a little pow bonus thing. I feel like I'm literally just like half in frame, half not. So I'm gonna take this L'Oreal Chrome Shine shadow. I don't know if these still exist. It's literally just reflective rose gold, and I'm just gonna put it slightly in my inner corner. just like the slightest bit. Like it's really subtle, but it's still there, you know? And as for lip, every time I like check in the viewfinder, I keep like noticing, like I keep putting my hair behind this ear. It is the fuggliest thing I've ever seen, so I need to stop. And finally for lips, I'm gonna use the Body Shop Born Lippy. I love this scent. It is my favorite scent ever. I believe we have reached the end. Okay guys, so we have reached the end of the video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have, please don't forget to leave a big thumbs up and subscribe. Please comment down below what you guys would like to see, because I'm open to every single request you guys have, because I'm running out of ideas. So I will see you guys very soon. Bye.